Namaste everyone, welcome to the class again. Now let us see the 7th question. There are 38 coins in a collection of 20 paise coin and 25 paise coin. If the total value of collection is rupees 8.5, how many of each are there? Okay, so have you understand the question? Read this question again. Okay, try to understand what you need to find and what is given. So there are total 38 coins in which some are of 25 paise and some are of 20 paise, and their total value is 8.5. How many of each are there? So how many coin of 20 paise and how many coin of 25 paise are there, that we have to find out. So in our solution we say that let number of 20 paise coin be x and number of 25 paise coin be y. So as per problem we have x plus y means total number of 20 paise coin and 25 paise coin is 38. This we will consider equation number 1, and their total is rupees 8.5. Now rupees 8.5 is 850 paisa. So we have x coin of 20 paisa, so total amount will be 20x, plus we have y amount of 25 paisa, so we have 25y. This is total amount, and this is equals to 850 paisa. Now I can reduce this equation by dividing it by 5. So 5 4s are, so this implies 4x plus 5 5s are, so 5y is equals to 5 in the 5, 3 35, 5 7s are 35, and this is 0. So 170, I will say 170. Okay, so it is 170. This is our second equation. Now first equation and second equation we have to solve. So how we can solve? We can use a substitution method or elimination method. So I will use substitution method. I will say that from equation 1 I will find the value of x, which is 38 minus y. Let us take this as equation 3. Put x is equals to 38 minus y in equation 2. So my second equation will become 4 into 38 minus y plus 5y is equals to 170. So therefore we open the bracket. 4 is the 32 and 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 15. So it is 152 minus 4y plus 5y is 170. So therefore 5y minus 4y is y. So therefore y is equals to, now here it is 170 minus this 152 will move to the right. So I have y is equals to 170 minus 152. 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the value of y is 18. Now from equation 3, I have x is equals to 38 minus y, which is equals to 38 minus 18. So 8 minus 8 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, so 20. So x is 20 and y is x is 20 and y is 18. So therefore I will say that the question is there are 38 coins. Okay, so how many of each are? So number of 20 paise coin is x, which is 20. So therefore number of 20 paise coin is 20. Okay, number of 20 paise coin is 20 and the number of 25 paise coin is 18. Right? Now let us move to the next question. 8th question. A man has certain notes of denomination rupees 20, rupees 5, which amount to rupees 380. If the number of notes of each kind is interchanged, the amount of rupees 60 less as before. Find the number of notes of each denomination. Read the problem again and find out what we have to find and what is given in the information. And keep in mind that this is linear equation in two variable. So the information which you have to present in such a way that there are two unknowns only. So a man has certain notes of denomination rupees 20 and rupees 5, which amount to rupees 380. So again I have some notes of rupees 20 and some note of rupees 5. Their total is 380 rupees. And if I interchange the number of notes, so say I have 15 notes of 20, so now I have 15 notes of 5 rupees. So like that, I will interchange the number of notes. Then what happens? Then my total amount become rupees 60 less. Okay, that means 380 was initially. Rupees 60 less means it become 320. We have to find the number of note of each denomination. So let us start by assuming let the number of note of rupees 20, number of note of rupees 20 be x and the number of note of rupees 5 be y. So as per problem, as per first condition, you can say, as per first condition in problem, as per information in the problem, we have this 20x plus 5y is equals to 380. This is our first equation, and when we interchange the number of notes, so it will become 5x plus 20y, and this will become 320, rupees 60 less. So this is second equation. Now to solve such kind of problem, what we do? We first add equation 1 and 2. So here I will say that add equation 1 and 2. Now why I said? Because if you see the coefficient of x and y, they are interchanging. So whenever there is interchange in the coefficients, we first add them, then we subtract them, and then we again add them. We will get the one variable. So adding equation, so 20 and 5, it will become 25. So 25x, this 5 plus 20, it will become 25y, and here 380 plus 320, so this will become 700. Now 25 you can take common, so this implies that 25 into x plus y is equals to 700. So therefore the value of x plus y is 700 divided by 25. So with 5 you can cancel, 5 5s are 25, then here 5 and the 5, 2, 20, 5 4s are 20, this is 140. Again we will cancel with 5. So 5 2s are 10, 4 40, 5 8s are. So we got x plus y is equals to 28. So this implies that x plus y is equals to 28. Now we consider this as equation number 3. Now I will subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So subtract equation 2 from 1. Now you see equation number 1 and 2. So we are subtracting equation 2 from 1. So 20 minus 5, it will give 15x. Minus I have a 15y. You can say that 5 minus 20 is minus 15 is equals to 380 minus 320 is 60. So therefore again you will take 15 common here. You get x minus y equal to 60, and this will give you the value of x minus y is equals to 60 upon 15 is equals to 4. So this is our fourth equation. Now x plus y 28 and x minus y is 4. Then what I will do? Then I will add these two equations. So add equation 3 and 4. Here I will say that add equation 3 and 4. So we will add this third equation and fourth equation. So x plus x, it will become 2x and y will cancel. Here it is 28 and here it is 4. So 2x is equals to 32, and this gives you the value of x as 16. So value of x is 16. Now we will put this value of x in any of the equation. So put x is equals to 16 in equation say 3. Put x equal to 16 in equation 3. So our third equation is x plus y equal to 28. So here it gives me 16 plus y equal to 28, and this gives me the value of y is equals to 28 minus 16. So 8 minus 6 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 12. So x is 16 and y is 12. So therefore number of notes of denomination means the amount which is written on the note. So the number of notes of denomination of rupees x we have assumed rupees 20. So the number of notes of denomination rupees 20 is 16, and similarly number of notes of denomination rupees 5 is 12. So for rupees 20 we have 16 note, and for rupees 5 we have 12 note. This is our 8th problem, right? Okay. Now 9th problem. So we have done 7th and 8th problem. Now 9th problem. The ratio of two number is 2 by 3. If 2 is subtracted from first and 8 is from second, the ratio become reciprocal of the original ratio. Find the numbers. So I have two numbers such that their ratio is 2 by 3. Now when I subtract 2 from the first number and 8 from the second number, the ratio become reciprocal of the original number. We have to find the numbers. Okay, strange question. The ratio of two number is 2 by 3. If 2 is subtracted from the first number and 8 from the second number, the ratio becomes reciprocal of the original ratio. Find the number. So I will say that in solution we say let first number, so let first number equal to x and second number is equals to y. Now what is given? X upon y is given. X upon y is 2 upon 3. That means you have 3x equal to 2y. that is 3x minus 2y is 0, or you can say that this implies better I will find the value of x, which is 2y upon 3. This is our first equation. Now second, next what they have done, if 2 is subtracted from the first and 8 is from the second, also when we subtract 2 from first and 8 from second, my ratio become reciprocal of the original ratio. So 2 upon 3 will become 3 upon 2. So therefore this implies that 2 times x minus 2 is equals to 3 times y minus 8. So we will open the bracket. We have 2x minus 4 equal to 3y minus 24. So this implies 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 24 plus 4 is equals to minus 20. Now the value of x is 2y divided by 3. We can put the value of x. So from, I will say that from equation 1, from 1 it is 2 into, in place of x we have 2y upon 3, 2y upon 3. So I will write 2y upon 3 minus 3y equal to minus 20. Now 2 to the 4, 4y upon 3. So 4y minus 3 3 is 9y, I will say, whole divided by 3 equal to minus 20. So this implies 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So minus 5 divided by 3y is equals to minus 20. This implies y equal to minus 20 into 3 divided by minus 5. So this minus minus cancel, 5 4 the, so this is 4 into 3. 4 3 the 12. So value of y is 12. Now what is the value of x? We got the value of y 12. Now from equation 1, I will say from 1, the value of x is 2y divided by 3. It is 2y divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3 4s are 2 4s are 8. The value of x is 8. So therefore first number is 8 and second number is 12. So therefore I will say that therefore first number is 8 and second number is 12. So this is our first and second number. This is our 9th question. Now 10th question. If 1 is added to the numerator of the fraction, it become 1 upon 5. And if 1 is taken from the denominator, it become 1 upon 7. Find the fraction. Okay. So fraction, it has numerator and denominator. Now here it is given that the same question I copied. 10th question. If 1 is added to the numerator of the fraction, it become 1 by 5. Okay, it become 1 by 5. If 1 is added to the numerator, so I will consider, let the fraction be, I will say in solution, let the fraction be x upon y. Okay. Now if 1 is added to the numerator, means x plus 1 upon y, I have a fraction 1 by 5. So this implies 5 times x plus 1 is equals to y. This implies 5x plus 1. So let us keep this as it is. 5x plus 1 is equals to y. So value of y we understand. This is the value of y. Also, when I will subtract, the next condition is given that if 1 is taken from the denominator, it will become 1 by 7. So I will say that also x upon y minus 1, it will become 1 upon 7. Strange, you know, if I am reducing from denominator, it is decreasing further. If 1 is taken from the denominator, it will become 1 by 7. Find the fraction. Let us see. So this gives me the value of 7x is equals to y minus 1. Now the value of y is 5 times x plus 1. So I will say that from 1, 7x is equals to, in place of y, I will replace 5 times x plus 1 and here it is minus 1. So this is 7x equal to 5x plus 5 minus 1. So this gives me 5x, 5 minus 1 is 4. This is 7x. So therefore 7x minus 5x equal to 4. 7 minus 5 is 2x. So I have 2x is equals to 4. The value of x is 4 upon 2. It is equals to 2. So this is the value of x. Also from 1 we have y equal to 5 times x plus 1. So this gives me 5 times 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 is equals to 15. So therefore I will say that therefore original fraction is x upon y. The value of x we got 2. So it is 2 upon 15. So 2 upon 15 is original fraction. When I subtract 1 from numerator, it must become 1 upon 5 if 1 is added. Okay, sorry, if 1 is added to the numerator. Now, if I add 1, so 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 upon 15 is 1 upon 5. If I add 1 to the numerator, it becomes 1 upon 5. And if I subtract from the denominator 1, it becomes 1 upon 7. So if I subtract, it becomes 14. So 2 upon 14 is 1 upon 7. Simple. Okay, 10th problem done. Now we have 2 more problems. So first let me delete this solution, 9th and 10th. 11th problem. The numerator of certain fraction is increased by 2 and denominator by 1. The fraction become equal to 5 upon 8, and if the numerator and denominator are each diminished by 1, the fraction become equal to 1 by 2. Find the fraction. Okay, so try yourself this problem. Okay, then you can refer the solution. First give a try. No? You can, I think, will solve this problem easily. Now the problem is, if the numerator of certain fraction is increased by 2 and denominator by 1, the fraction become equal to 5 by 8, and if the numerator and denominator are each diminished by 1, the fraction become equal to 1 by 2. Find the fraction. So let us say, let the fraction be x upon y. We will consider the original fraction be x upon y. Now the numerator of certain fraction is increased by 2 and denominator by 1. So x plus 2 divided by y plus 1. The fraction is 5 upon 8. So this implies 8 times x plus 2 is equals to 5 times y plus 1. This implies 8x plus 16 is equals to 5y plus 5. This implies 8x minus 5y is equals to 5 minus 16. This implies 8x minus 5y is equals to minus 11. So this I will consider as equation 1. Now the second condition is, if the numerator and denominator are each diminished by 1, the fraction become 1 by 2. Also, we have x minus y upon y minus 1. It is equals to 1 by 2. So this implies that 2 times x minus 1 is equals to y minus 1. So this implies 2x minus 2 equal to y minus 1. So this gives me 2x minus y is equals to minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So this is my second equation. So first equation is 8x minus 5y is minus 11, and second equation is 2x minus y is equals to 1. So what we do next? So from this second equation we can find the value of y. So from here I will say that value of y, this implies y equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, let us take this as 3. Put y equal to 2x minus 1 in equation 1. So my first equation is 8x minus 5y equal to minus 11. 8x minus 5y, which is 2x minus 1, is equals to minus 11. Minus 11. So this implies that 8x minus 10x, and this is minus plus 5 equal to minus 11. So 8 minus 10 is minus 2. So this implies minus 2x equal to minus 11 minus 5. It will be equal to minus 11 minus 5. This will be equal to minus 16. So this implies the value of x is minus 16 upon minus 2. So this minus and minus will cancel, and I will get 8. So the value of x is 8. So from equation 3, so I will say that put x is equals to 8 in equation 3. So I get y equal to 2x minus 1. So y equal to 2 into the value of x is 8, 2x minus 1. So it is 8 to the 16 minus 1, 16 minus 1 is 15. So therefore original fraction, so therefore the fraction is, I will say that therefore the required fraction also, the required fraction is x upon y. So value of x is 8 upon 15. The fraction is 8 upon. Alright. So this is our question number 11. Now let us see this 12th question. 12th question is, find the fraction which become 1 by 2 when denominator is increased by 4 and is equal to 1 by 8 when numerator is diminished by 5. Okay. So 12th question, what you do? Find the fraction which become 1 by 2 when denominator is increased by 4 and is equal to 1 by 8 when the numerator is diminished by 5. So first I will say that the required fraction be x upon y. Okay. So I will say let the required fraction is x upon y. Let the required fraction is x upon y. Now it become 1 by 2 when denominator is increased by 4. So when denominator is increased by 4 means x upon y plus 4, the fraction become 1 by 2. So this implies 2x equal to y plus 4. This implies y equal to 2x minus 4. So let us take this as equation 1. And it become 1 by 8 when numerator is diminished by 5. So when x become x minus 5, also I will say that as per condition, when x diminished by 5, my fraction will become 1 upon 8. So I will say that 8 times, this implies 8 times x minus 5 is equals to y. So the value of y is 2x minus 4 in equation 1, and it is 8 times x minus 5 in equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, what we can say that from 1 and 2, this is also the value of y, and this 8 into x minus 5, and 2x minus 4 is also the value of y. So I can say that this 2x minus 4 is equals to 8 times x minus 5. That is 2x minus 4 is equals to 8x minus 40. Now this 2x I will bring to left, and this minus 40 to the this 2x I will bring to right, and minus 40 to left. So I get 40 minus 4 is equals to 8x minus 2. So here I have 6x, here I have 36. This gives me the value of x as 6. Now when we get the value of x, so from equation 1, I will get value of y also. So from 1, y is equals to, the value of y is, from 1, the value of y is 2x minus 4. So y is equals to 2x minus 4. So 2 into 6 minus 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So therefore the required fraction is x upon y is 6 upon 8 is equals to 3 upon 4. We reduce it further. So the required fraction is 3 upon 4. Right. Okay. So here we have seen many problems related with fraction, and we have also seen few problems related with money, number of coins or number of notes, like that. Okay, so we will wind up our lecture here. In next lecture we will see few more problems, okay, involving some different kind of numbers, okay, some different kind of simultaneous equations. Thank you.